Tesla's infotainment system doesn't natively support apps like Dasher, so workarounds are needed. Your primary options are Bluetooth for audio and calls, Android Auto for screen mirroring if your Tesla supports it, and manual route imports. With Bluetooth, you can pair your phone via the Tesla's Settings Bluetooth menu. This allows for hands-free calling and audio playback of directions. Android Auto, available on 70% of Tesla vehicles made after 2023, lets you connect your Android phone via USB to mirror the Dasher app on your Tesla's screen. For navigation, enable location sharing in the Dasher app and import routes into Tesla's trip planner. Experiencing issues? Ensure your Tesla software is up to date to improve Bluetooth stability. If using screen mirroring, be mindful of battery drain and distraction. Tesla's Sentry mode can help monitor for unsafe app usage. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to introduce Tesla OS updates in 2026, potentially including a native app store with apps like Dasher. By 2025, many DoorDash drivers use EVs, with Tesla being a popular choice. Future integrations and advancements in battery tech will make using the Dasher app in your Tesla even more seamless and efficient.